Hey there, welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Come on, let's get started with the set 2 paper. So we are going to solve multiple choice questions as well as 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Now here the first question is the 10th term of an AP 3, 7, 11, 15 is 10th term. So we know the formula AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, if we say A5 is nothing but A plus 4D. We'll reduce 1, N minus 1. So if it is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. If we say A10 equals to A plus 10 minus 1 is 9D. Or you say if A20 equals to A plus 19D and so on. So likewise, we have got here 10th term of an AP. We need to find out 10th term. So A10 equals to A plus 9D. We know the value of A equals to, that is the first term 3, and common difference second term minus first term 7 minus 3 equals to 4, right? Now here A10 equals to A value is 3 plus 9 into D value is 4. 3 plus 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So B option is correct. Hope this is clear. We have got next question here. The lines represented by x plus 2y minus 14 equals to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. We need to find out what type of lines these are. Here we have to write a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. Let us check. So a1, the coefficient of x is 1 here. I'll write 1 upon a2, that is x coefficient is 2. Similarly, y coefficient and y coefficient here 2 upon 4 equals to, then constant upon constant, that is minus 14 upon minus 12. This is in simplest form. 2 1s are 2 2s are, minus minus cancels. Okay, 2 7s are 2 6 are. We have got here 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2, but this is not equal to 7 upon 6. When this is not equal to, we say it is a parallel line, students. Now I'll tell you, a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. That means the beginning only it has cut. That means it is not equals to, it is a intersecting lines. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equals to, right here a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. We say these are parallel lines. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. We say it is coincident lines. Okay, in all of this we can see that these two are equal, but this is not equal. It is a parallel lines. So option D is correct. Here third question, in the given graph, this is a graph here, the number of zeros, we need to check the x-axis with how many points it is touching. 1 2 3. So we say it has got 3 zeros. Fine. Now the distance of the coordinates P 4 3 from the x-axis. See, this is a coordinate plane. Okay, this is 0 1 2 3. Okay, 4. This is 1 2 3 4, I can say. This is minus 1 minus 2. Just for your understanding, I'm drawing this. Now 4 3 here. From 4 to 3, the distance covered is 3 units. The distance covered is 3 units. Suppose, assume we have got 4 minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3. From here to here, the distance covered is again 3 units. Whether it is a plus or minus, the units remains the same. Here, to reach from 4 to 3, it has taken 3 units. So 3 units is the correct answer. In the given figure, the secant is, you can see this is a figure. Mn is a secant because the line is touching the circle at 2 distinct points. These are 2 distinct points, that is A and B. So we call this as a secant. So this is a diameter. PQ is a chord, I can say. XY is a tangent which is touching the circle at only one point. So here we have got Mn is a secant. I hope this is clear. This is secant. This is diameter. This is a chord. And this is a tangent. In the given figure, the value of sine A is, this is the figure, this is a right angle triangle. So A is an angle, let us mark A as an angle. We need to find out sine A. Sine A, sine theta, we know it is O by H. O by H. O is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. When this is marked as an angle, this will become the opposite side. Okay, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will never change. And this is adjacent. Okay, O by H, root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. That is B option is correct, students. Next question. The mean of 50, 20, 10, 15 and 5 is. Mean means we need to find out the average of these scores. So mean X bar will be, let us add all these numbers. 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15 plus 5 whole divided by, let us count the number of scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5, which is equals to, when we add all this, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10 and 1 0. So we get 20. 20 is the mean of these scores. So option D is correct. Here we have got the next question. The probability of getting head is 0.6. Then the probability of not getting head is. Not getting head. Here we have got the formula P of E plus P of not E equals to 1. This is the formula, right? Now here P of E, the probability of getting head, that is P of E. P of E value is 0.6. The probability of not getting head, so P of not E we need to find out, students. Okay, so this is 0.6 plus P of not E equals to 1. P of not E equals to 1 minus 0.6. Let us subtract 1.0. So after decimal, 0 has got no value. Okay, here 0.6. Now from 0 we cannot remove or take away 6. So we'll borrow 1 from here. This will be 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. Point here 0. 0.4 is the answer, equals to 0.4. So option C is correct, students. I hope this is clear. Welcome back, students. Come on, let's solve next question. In an AP, if an equals to 3n plus 1, then find the third term. It is easy. Here let me write an equals to 3n plus 1. When they said third term, so the n value will be 3, students. If it is given fourth term, n value will be 4. Okay, now n value is 3 here. 3 equals to 3 into n value is 3 plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 equals to 10. That means the third term is 10, students. How many solutions have the pair of linear equations? This is a pair of linear equations we have got. We need to find out the number of solutions by just seeing this linear equations. Before that, we need to find out what is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Okay, let us check. So here a1 value is 2 upon 4. First we will take x coefficients, then we will take y coefficients 3 upon 3, then constant minus 9 upon minus 18, that is z coefficients, that is z. Z is nothing but the constants. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 ones are, right? And 9 ones are 9 twos are. I have got here 1 upon 2 is not equals to 1, which is equal to 1 upon 2. When all these starting only, you can see that it is not equal. a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. We say it is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means it is meeting at only one point. So it has got one solution. Okay. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. These are parallel lines. You can see that parallel lines are not intersecting with each other. So we say it has got no solution. No solution. Okay. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. All these are equal. We say it is coincident lines, means all the points are meeting each other. So we say many solutions or infinite number of solutions we can say. I hope this is clear to you all, students. But finally we say that it has got only one solution. Here you can see there's an equation, there's a polynomial here. We need to find out the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros is nothing but the value of x here, students. Okay, so let me write here 2x plus 7 equals to 0. We have to equate this with 0. If we equate this with 0, we are going to get the value of x. Okay, now 2x equals to, let us shift 7 to the other side. I get minus 7. X equals to minus 7 upon 2 is the 0 of this polynomial, students. Here, if x square minus 6 equals to 0, then write the value of x. So let us write the value of x here. X square minus 6 equals to 0. X square equals to, let us shift 6 to the other side. I get plus 6. X equals to, if I remove the square, this becomes a root, which is plus or minus root 6. Root 6 is not a perfect square. So we can just say x equals to root 6 or x equals to minus root 6. These are the values of x, students. Write the formula to find the volume of cone of base, radius is r and height equals to h. So volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h is the formula, where radius is r and height is h. Okay. This is the figure. O is the center of the circle. AP and AQ are the tangents from the external point A. This is the external point. From the external point, we can draw only two tangents. So two tangents are AP and AQ. Now PAQ, this angle is 80 degrees. Okay. Now we have to find out angle AOP. So before finding out AOP, let me join OQ. So let me join here OQ. Okay. So when we add these two angles, it should always be equals to 180. Okay. Because this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 is 180 we got. Now this and this when we add, I have to get 180 degrees. Okay, students. So I say that angle POQ equals to 180 minus 80. If you do, you're going to get 100 degrees. That means these two angles, if I add, I have to get 180 degrees. 180 minus 80 will be 100 degrees you got. Now AOP, half of this angle, angle AOP equals to half of 100 degrees. 2 ones are 250s are, so equals to 50 degrees. So if this is total is 100 degrees, then half of the angle will be 50 degrees, students. Here, if secant theta equals to 4 by 3, then we need to find out the value of cos theta. Understood, students? Here, secant theta equals to 4 by 3, then cos will be the reciprocal of secant. That will be 3 upon 4. Here, 16th question, find the mode of the scores. So these are the scores given, most frequently occurring. You can see 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. That means 2 is occurring 3 times. Okay. 5 is occurring 2 times. Let us not take 5. So 2 is occurring 3 times, students. So we say that mode equals to 2. I hope this is clear. Solve the equations by elimination method. We have got 2 equations here. Let us eliminate and find the values of x and y. X plus 3y equals to minus 2 is the first equation. 3x plus y equals to 2. You can see the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is 3. Here y also the same, 3 and 1 we have got. We need to keep the x or y constant. The choice is yours. I'll go with y here. We have got 3 and 1. So I'll take this, I'll multiply this one and with 3 here. Okay. So that I can get equal coefficients of y. 1 into x is x plus 3 ones are 3y equals to minus 2 ones are 2. Here with 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9x plus 1 3s are 3y equals to 3 2s are 6. Now you can see we have got equal coefficients. Now this is not possible to cancel. To cancel this, I need to change the sign. We have got here plus, let me write minus here. There's a plus, minus, there's a plus here, minus. Let me cancel y or eliminate y. Here 1 minus 9. So we can say plus into minus is minus. Let us subtract. 9 minus 1 is 8x. Greater number sign is minus equals to. Both have got a minus sign. Let us add. So minus into minus is plus. Let us add it. 6 plus 2 is 8 and same sign. Minus minus cancels. So x equals to. After equals to, I have got 8 upon 8. 8 ones are 8 ones are. I get the value of x equals to 1. We need to find out the value of y here. Okay. You can select one of these equations. I'll go with the first equation here. X plus 3y equals to minus 2. X value is 1 plus 3y equals to minus 2. 3y equals to minus 2. Let us shift 1 to the other side. I get minus 1. Why? It has got plus here. Plus is shifted to the right hand side. It becomes minus. Here 3y equals to minus to minus is plus. Let us add with the same sign. Okay. So y equals to, after equals to we have got minus 3. Let us drag this 3 down. 3 ones are 3 ones are. So I get y equals to minus 1. So the value of x is 1 and the value of y is minus 1. Okay. Let us verify here. X value is 1. Okay. 1 plus 3 into y value is minus 1. Let us check the answer here. 1 plus into minus is minus 3. I get minus 2. That means My verification is correct, students. Here we have got next question. Find the roots of the equation. We have got x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0 by factor method. That means we need to find out the value of, we need to find out the factors of x here, students. Now let us multiply first and last term. I am going to get 6x square. The factors of 6 is 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6. Then 6 1s are 6. Okay. Now when I add or subtract, I have to get the middle number. If I add, I get 5. If I subtract, I get 1. No. So this will not take. 6 plus 1 is 7. If I add, I'm going to get 7, students. So I got the middle number. Let us take the factors as 6 and 1. Always take a greater number followed with small number. Let us split x on both the sides. Okay. Now first sign is minus. So this is most important sign. And think, to get 7, what are we supposed to do? We have to add it, right? Add means same sign will repeat. Add, same sign repeats. Now this is x square minus, only middle term splitting will be this, minus 6x minus 1x plus 6. Only this middle term splitting we are doing, students. In these two and in these two, let us take out the common terms here. In these two we have got x is a common term. X cancels, one more x is left over. X cancels, 6 is left over. So this part is over. Minus sign, this minus sign will come here. In these two, 1 is common. 1 cancels, we get x here. Minus into plus is minus. 1 1s are 1 6 are. You can see that brackets is common and leftover terms are x minus 1. So x equals to 6. If it is minus 6, we'll write plus 6. X equals to minus 1, we write plus 1. So these are the factor, or we say these are the roots of this equation. Well, you can see we have got two questions. There's a choice. Any one question we can write. But still, let me solve both the questions here. One I've already solved. Now find the roots, find the nature of roots of the equation. So this is the equation 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. Let us find the value of ABC. A is nothing but the coefficient of x square. First number. Second number is B, which is minus 5. C equals to the third number. Okay, let us write only the numbers, students. The nature of roots we need to find out. Let me write delta equals to B square minus 4AC equals to B value is minus 5. Minus 5 square minus 4, A value is 2, C value is minus 1. Please don't ignore the signs. Okay. So minus square is plus, 5 square is 25. Minus into minus is plus, 4 2s are 8, students. Equals to 33. Delta equals to 33, which is positive, plus 33. If it is plus 33, we say the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Now, if we get minus sign, we say no roots or imaginary roots, we can say. If it is equals to 0, we say equal roots. I hope this is clear. Here we got next question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. Right angle triangle, let us draw. Okay. Let me name this as ABC. Okay. Altitude. AB is the altitude, BC is a base, and AC is a hypotenuse, students. Altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters less than the base. Let me say base is x. So 7 centimeters less than base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, we need to find out the other two sides. Hope this is clear to you all. We don't know what is base. Let us write here x. Okay, 7 centimeters less than the base. Let me it's x minus 7. Okay, now let us apply a Pythagoras theorem here. Oh, let me write here, let the base be x. Okay, x centimeters, let me say. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now here it is 13 square equals to AB is x minus 7 square. You should not write like this. Okay, this will be wrong. Here square is applied for both x and 7. Fine. Now plus BC is x square. 13 square is 169 equals to. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus x square. Fine. This is 169 equals to x square plus x square. I get 2x square minus 2 7s are 14x plus 7 square. 7 is multiplied 2 times. 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now here let me write 2x square minus 14x plus 49. I just write whatever is in the right side. Let me take this 169 to the right side. Minus 169 equals to 0. 2x square minus 14x. Now let us subtract 169 minus 49. We get here 120. 120. Greater number sign is minus equals to 0. Right? Now as you can see, all this will get divisible by 2 table. Let us divide by 2. Each term is divided by 2. Okay. 2 cancels. I am going to get x square minus 2 1s are 2 7s are minus 2 1s are 2 6 are 12 equals to 0. Now here x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Same factor method will do. First and last term let us multiply. I am going to get 60x square. Okay. The factors of 60 are 12 5s are 60. X on both the sides. Okay. Now first sign is minus. Let us think, to get 7 should we add or subtract? If I subtract, I am going to get 7. So we need to change the sign. Okay. This is x square minus 12x plus 5x. Only middle term splitting. First and last will remain as it is. Minus 60 equals to 0. 2 terms only we can take out common terms here. Here x is common. Xx cancels. 1x is left over. Xx cancel. 12 is left over. So this is over. Now let me write here plus sign. In these two, 5 is common. 5 cancels. X plus into minus is minus. 5 1s are 5 12s are equals to 0. You can see brackets are same and leftover terms are x plus 5 equals to 0. Right? So x equals to 12. Here x equals to minus 5. Always sides are calculated positive. So x equals to 12 centimeters because this is positive. So let me write here BC equals to x, which is equals to 12 centimeter. Right? Now similarly AB equals to x minus 7. Okay. So x value is 12. 12 minus 7. If we subtract, I am going to 5 centimeter. Hope this is clear to you all. We have got next question here. Find the distance between the points 2, 4, 3, minus 2 using a distance formula. So we have got the points here 2, 4, 3, minus 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now the distance formula is d equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula, distance formula. Let us substitute the values here. x2 is 3 minus x1 is 2. Okay, y2 is minus 2, this minus sign. Y1 is 4. Okay, this is equal to, now 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 square plus minus into minus plus. Let us add the numbers. I'm going to get 6 here, minus 6 whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 square is 1 plus, as this is within the bracket, so minus is multiplied 2 times, so never multiply these two. Okay, now minus into minus is plus. 6 is repeated 2 times, 6 6 are 36, equals to root of 36 plus 1 is 37, is the distance between these two coordinates. 37 units, students. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment. Join the points. We need to find out the midpoints, the coordinate of the midpoints. This we need to find out, students. Here the line segment is 3 5 and 1 3. These are the coordinates. Let me name this as AB. Okay, we need to find out the midpoint, that is xy. We need to find out. Here the coordinates are 3 5 1 3. Let me name this. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So the midpoint xy equals to, I say this is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, x1 is 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2, 5 plus 3 upon 2, equals to 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 2, and this one is 8 upon 2, students. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. I'm going to get here 2 comma 4 are the coordinates of this midpoint. Okay, let me say C. So the coordinates of C are 2 4. Hope this is clear. Find the HCF and LCM of 18 and 45. So 18, let us find out the prime factors. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3, 45, 5 9s are 45. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Here 45. The factors of 45 are 5 into 3 into 3. HCF. The common factors. So 3 is common. Here also 3 is common, right? 2, no. 5, no. So here 3 into 3 equals to 9. LCM. Let us write the HCF first and leftover terms. 2 into 5. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 9 10s are 90. 90 is the LCM of these two factors, that is 18 and 45. Here we have got next question. This is a figure, that means it is a triangle ABC. If AD is 6 centimeters, BD is 12 centimeters, A is 3 centimeter, we need to find out what is CE. Let us apply Thales theorem here. AD upon BD equals to AE upon CE. Okay, AD we know it is 6, BD is 12 equals to AE is 3 upon CE. Now this gets cancelled here. 6 1s are 6 2s are. Now let us do cross multiplication. CE equals to 2 3s are 6. So CE equals to 6 centimeters. Hope this is clear. The curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is curved surface area, CSA. of a right circular cylinder. This is a cylinder, students. Okay. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is 440 centimeters square, and the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters. We need to find out the height. Okay. The curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay. Curved surface area is 440 equals to 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7. Radius r is 7 into height, because we need to find out the height, students. 7 cancels. Now 440 equals to 22 into 2 is 44 into h. Let me take this 44 down. 440 upon 44 equals to h. 44 ones are 44 tens are. Therefore, h equals to 10 centimeter. I hope this is clear. There are 6 red, I'll write here 6 red balls. Okay, 6 red balls. Then 5 blue balls. 5 blue balls. 4 green balls. 4 green balls in a box. So we have got total 15. We have got 15 is a total, or I can say this is n of s, students. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball drawn is blue? So let us apply the formula. P of E equals to n of A upon n of S. N of A is the favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So total outcomes is 15. Total outcomes is 15. Favorable outcomes. What is a favorable outcome here? They asked here the probability of ball drawn is blue. Blue color is a favorable outcome. Blue is only 5. 5 upon total outcomes is 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So we get 1 upon 3, students. Hope this is clear.